Friends, welcome back to RVN Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price change occur in Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour. What's the high price of Ravencoin in a previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour? I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now. And if you listen my voice, please don't ignore my words. Please hit the subscribe button and kindly support me. I need your support. Now let's see what's the price prediction in Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour. What's the change occur in the Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. First of all, you see the 2 hour result of Ravencoin. As you can see here, at the Ravencoin it start jumping in the previous 2 hour. As you can see here, they are start jumping, but unfortunately they are again falling down. As you can see here, currently they are in the falls. As you can see here, so it's a big opportunity for you to sell Ravencoin in BC from loss. As you can see here, I'm not giving you a order, I'm giving you my suggestion. Maybe they in the future Ravencoin have a great jump, and you make more money with the Ravencoin in the future. So I'm not ordering you, I'm only give you my suggestion, my opinion. Please share your opinion in a comment box. I'm waiting for your opinion. Because I'm also a Ravencoin holders. Please share your opinion. Your opinion is very important for us. Please share in the comment box. Is it good time to buy, or is it good time to sell it? Now let's see the changes. As about 0.14% occur in the Ravencoin in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Ravencoin is about 0.200073, as it is absolutely a less amount of the Ravencoin. That is the live price prediction of last 2 hour. Now let's see what change occur in the previous last 1 hour. Let's see the price prediction of last 1 hour of Ravencoin. As you can see now, the last 1 hour is all falling down, falling down, falling down. It's a really bad news for all the Ravencoin, as you can see here, because it falls down, y'all. As you can see here, now the changes as approximately positive 0.1% change. Oh my god, 0.1% change, dear. As you can see here, and the high price of Ravencoin is about $0.200073 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 2 hour. So that's the live price prediction of previous 2 hour, previous 1 hour. You're watching now on Abby's Tech channel. If you want more this kind of videos, this kind of news, so please hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3K subscriber. I also need your support. Please support me. Thank you so much for watching this video.